Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My name is Kodah of All Cars, and today we're gonna buy one car. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Dito tayo sa Grove. Such a nice day. Medyo mainit. Kanina umulan na sobrang lakas, no? Hindi na madaling araw. Anyway, so check na ng mga Spartans yung kotse a few days ago. I'm gonna check it also as well, of course. Tapos we just meet in the back para doon na magkita. Payment, just transfer sa bank account para easy peasy. No hassle, no, di nakakatakot, don't need to bring cash. And the client's so nice, so I'm looking forward to meeting him. Di pa kasi kami nagkikita, so hopefully we have a nice time together and more transactions will arrive after this transaction of ours today. So, dyan lang kayo. I'll show you how we buy cars. So while we're waiting, gusto ko lang mag-coffee. Di pa ako nag-coffee. Mahilig kasi ako sa black coffee. Gusto ko yung talagang black lang, simpleng coffee lang. Ika, alam ko may third wave dito na masarap. Itong filter coffee. Let's try it. Kasi ako, I really like black coffee. Yung talaga favorite sa lahat. Kahit nga yung great taste na coffee, okay na ako doon. I'm very, very happy with that. So let's try. Di pa na-try itong filter coffee eh. So let's see. Sana masarap. Tapos I told our client din they have some time, few minutes to spare, meet me in the coffee shop para kwentuhan naman kami. Hindi kami nag-meet ni client eh. Onting bonding lang. So, while waiting for a client, let's do calls muna. Let's see if we can close some deals one on the phone. So yun, okay din na minsan meron akong free time para makapag-reset ng mind. Minsan kasi yung araw talagang bakbakan every day, every day, all night. So little time that I can just drink my coffee, just relax a little bit. It's very important to me para lagi tayong good vibes and charming. Ayan. Kasi yung you have to, diba na? Especially, that's why I like it. Sometimes I forget na what I buy, so at least I have, ay, nga pala, nakabili yung ganyan. Or at least may photo ako na kung ano yung nabili. I think Yael met your husband last time. That's why I like I probably bought past 2 years, 30 cars here on the road. So malapit lang siya, most of my partners are here eh. Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Mazda.
You also buy Toyota?
Yeah. Hello, nice to finally meet you. Oh, si Yael, yeah. Oh, ako kasi pag ano na ako eh, yung pagbibilin na, buying portion na ako eh. Pero sakit nga na yung check engine na yan. Pero I know exactly what's wrong with it. It's usually the EGR. Yung ano niya, yung intake manifold EGR. Usually kasi sa'yo is imported. Here's my theory, I could be wrong, I could be right, I don't know. Kasi the car runs great, no? However, I think since yours is imported, yours has a different setting, especially when it comes to diesel. Pang first world yung diesel setting nung sensors. You know what I mean? Oh, so dito kasi we have dirty, not first world gasoline. You know what I mean? I don't know. I also it is just my theory in fixing these types of cars. Yeah. Tama. Mga 5-6 ka na. Tapos when I have it, syempre, hindi ko man pwede beta naka-check in. Di ba? So, Feeling ko yun. So I have it clean, or worst case, tatanggal. Patatanggal. Pero I have to spend muna talaga. Kasi syempre, ikaw ba, bibili ka ng may check engine na kotse, syempre, bye! Kaya you're lucky na, kumbaga, sanay na ako pag sa imported. Yeah. Kasi most of the traders, ano na sila dyan? Ako, ano na. Hindi ko naka-video nag-vlog eh. Pero hindi ka kasama. Alas, gusto mo kasama kasi gusto ko kasama yung... later. Anyways, okay, let's just check the documents lang. Buti you have it. You know what's funny? Yung last client ko rin dito sa Grove, he has so many cars, hindi niya alam nasan yung mga documents. So, yung pangatlong bibiling ko sa kanya, third car na, ay, oo nga pala. Hindi ko alam, mapahanap ko. Yeah. Oo, so yan, dito yung documents. And actually, my lawyer taught me that. You take photos and videos. So if something happens, the client is protected. Kasi it's in public forum. Parang you have a photo, you both have a photo, binili mo, you have a video, nakapost sa social media, so he has deniability. No, I already sold it to Mr. Kodah. Tama ba yun?
Others, we just need a picture of course.
Ako kasi, I go a step further kasi we have a no mileage tampering guarantee sa all cars. So I take videos of all my clients saying their mileage. Para if nagtanong sila, legit ba mo? Watch. Diba? Kasi ay nako, it's a bit dangerous nowadays. So,
Pansin ko lang, parang nagtatampo siya.
boy.
It's starting
Oo,
to fall. Kahapon lang yan.
Talaga?
Pero nandun sa baba.
Oha. Pero yung spare, you have the spare key? Ay, sorry to pala. Ayan, yun na lang yung gawin natin main.
Kasi ba daling do?
Ay, oo ha.
Baka sa unit yan.
Very good. I'll just file all of it Tapos yung IDs, pa-Xerox na lang tayo sa video. Ay, it's under Guzman de la Rosa Realty Corp. Sexert. To follow na lang natin. Ganito, I'll just hold 10,000. Sige. Tapos the rest, pag ano. Yael will come here. Yan na lang. Tapos I'll just...
Sister lang naman eh.
Aha. Okay. Tapos ano lang. So, I'll send you a different ano.
Format.
Kasi hindi ko nakita. Ano kasi sa photo, akala ko talagang Guzman de la Rosa eh. Usually kasi mga company name, you really know it's a company name eh.
Gusto mo ano lang? We'll send you passport.
Yeah, that's just fine. Driver's license. So you will be, so the Sexert will authorize you as signatory.
Yes. Ito yung ano talaga.
Sige. Okay.
Kasi ko lang pala.
And then, yeah. And then your...
The check is made ng company.
Sorry?
The check is already made na.
Ano, just transfer it to your account.
Okay.
Kahit sa personal din.
Yeah, okay.
Gusto nyo ba manager's check off?
Hindi, okay lang.
Really up to you.
Ano naman ako dyan?
Ayun, sige. Kasi to be honest, I prefer manager's check or back-to-back transfer.
Back to back. Ako galing ko actually sa BD.
Talaga?
Kawig ko dito. Kaya
Sige.
good location talaga ito.
Oh yeah,
Ito
really.
nasa baba.
Sige.
Yung
Hawakan mo muna ito sir, di pa ako nagabayan.
yung ano niya, yung ito,
Aha.
dun sa cup, lagay ng cup.
Sige, patikit na lang.
Okay, so you
Okay.
just need this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pakoto ka natin. Valid pa ba ito? Just have it Xerox sa sa Grove. Sa Grove, sa BDO. Magbabayad na ako. Oh, good choice. Wala na kasing van na, that can, na parang Starex na van. It's just the Staria at this point. And wala, impossible makakuha ng Grandia.
Bye. Ako sa sentro ako.
Okay. Bye-bye. Very nice to do business. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
It took me 2 years to decide na
Oh.
kunin yung Staria. Na-figure out ko yung pagtanggal ng last row. Parang 9-seater, tanggal yung last row. Kapareho nito.
Yeah.
Para magkaroon ng enough space.
Space. For luggage and whatnot.
Kasi yung 7-seater nila, although maganda yung arrangement, wala kang space sa likod.
Yeah. So this is the H1 na Starex. Ito yung top of the line. Okay. Alright. O, picture na lang tayo. Okay.
Yes.
Tapos video lang for the mileage.
Sige, sige.
Sige, halika.
Nakatanggal yung ano ng susi.
Yung natanggal. Oo. Ilang, ito wala, tatlong 3 rows siya, no? So parang 3, 9-seater. Halika, video tayo. So a bit. Tayo. Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon, my very, very nice client. And I bought this 2017 Starex H1 ito, no?
Yes.
This imported from Korea, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan. Tapos, sir, pleasure doing business with you and your wife. And I hope to see you soon again. And ano yung mileage ng kotse? Because all cars, we have a no mileage tampering guarantee. So what's the mileage of the car?
Around
87.
87.
Oh, yun. Hope you have a nice day. Pleasure doing business. And until next time, if you want to sell your cars, my name is Kodah of all cars. Have a nice day. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, next time.
Tomorrow.
Sige. Yes, please. Oo, yung ano. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so that's it. Ito na lang muna yung main key natin. Ito yung spare. Check lang natin. Okay, sariwa pa. Ganda. Even the leather. Maganda. Oh, ito lang. May isang punit dito pero normal yan eh. Especially sa driver's side. Ano talaga? Magkakapunit talaga siya. Let's start it. May dala ba tayong scanner? Wala na. Sige, dali mo na sa ano ito? Sa bahay. Pero labas muna tayo. Picture natin.